Yo, what's up everyone? We are back on our 17th review of a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. Definitely one of the most badass SUVs on the road, packing 475 horsepower under the hood from the factory. This vehicle is owned by a local gentleman. He works a couple blocks away. We were working very closely with him to pick out the correct modifications for this. The whole body is wrapped in satin Nero black by our buddies at KPMF. To offset the satin black, we did accent the truck with some gloss black also. You'll notice the aero parts on the front bumper and the tailgate by Sarona Design. Those are painted in gloss black. For wheels and tires, we went with a set of Vossen HF1s. It's a flow-form 22-inch wheel in gloss black. They are square setup, 10.5 inches all around. To really bring out the look of the wheels and tires and the body, we dropped it down on a set of Mopar factory lowering springs. Probably got about 1.5 inch drop front and rear. Definitely stiffened everything up and really gave it a nice stance. I really think the design of the HF1 from Vossen was a perfect choice for this truck. It is a split 5-spoke and it's very open, so you can appreciate the factory Brembo brakes, powder coated in gloss red. If you do notice around the body, additional to the wrap, we did add some red pinstriping just to kind of go with that brake and bring out the pop a little bit. These trucks are pretty fast right out the gate, but there are a couple little performance mods you can add that definitely enhance the driving experience. Under the hood, we went with an AFE Momentum cold air intake, and for exhaust, we have a catback Meister shaft exhaust. So that includes non-resonated test pipes and an exhaust system with valve control. So off remote control, the customer can open and close the valves on the exhaust, making the sound more aggressive or less aggressive. To enhance the experience on the interior of the vehicle, we did lace it up with a sound system from our buddies at JL Audio. It does have a custom box built by us out of MDF lightweight wood, save them a little weight in the trunk. It does have two JL Audio 10-inch W6s with some Bama speakers in the doors. These components are powered by JL Audio HD amps. Definitely top of the line. I'm definitely feeling the second generation of the Grand Cherokee SRT8, known as the WK2. I think these trucks are getting more and more popular because they are so versatile. You can have something that's fast as hell. You can fit the whole family inside of it. You can drive it in the snow, you can drive it in the summer, and it looks badass. My choice for any kind of sport SUV probably would be the SRT all day.